Yeah.
Bro, that dude from The Purge.
He said, "Come forward."
Mom!
I don't know. I'm just videotaping here.
Why?
Have Lachey videotape. You
No! What we got a videotape for?
Because I want to videotape.
Mom, just go.
I thought, am I supposed to put it on neutral?
Why'd I flinch like that was actually gonna
flinched too.
spray me? Like,
flinched
bro!
I actually flinched too.
Okay, it's on neutral. Here we go.
I really flinched. Like, I was gonna get sprayed.
All right, make sure you're covered, Zaida.
We gonna see stuff inside?
But the door's locked.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
The doors are locked.
I'd be concerned if someone tried to open the door while we were in here.
Yeah. Shoot, I'm ready for these though.
We're in the car wash.
Bro, you know what this? You know what I'm getting? You know what I'm thinking of right now?
What?
When BTS did this.
Oh shit!
That was awesome.
When BTS did the
Oh
zombie
shit! Look
thing.
at that!
Yeah.
Oh my
And
god!
Yuki was about to throw hands.
Zaida, make sure you're covered.
Wait, he came out of nowhere.
Yeah. Oh, there's a creepy guy right there.
He's terrifying. He is
Oh
terrifying.
shit! Yeah, he is.
Wait, that looks similar to the
Oh
last
no!
one, Insidious.
Creepy, and then there's a guy right there.
Didn't that mask look similar to the one from
Mom, his
Insidious?
horns, those are.
Oh, here comes Jason. Here comes Jason.
Is that a chainsaw?
That's.
Mom, his horns are ice cream cones.
Crystal
Oh
Lake!
shit!
His horns are ice cream cones. Isn't that cool?
Oh shit, that's fucking creepy. That is really fucking creepy.
This is not Camp Crystal Lake! We are not in New Jersey!
They're so cool. He literally has a chainsaw.
Yo, dude! Wait, hold on. Jason doesn't have a chainsaw!
Oh, well, I don't know who this guy is.
Well, he does this time.
Jason, where's your machete? Yeah, I'm good.
Yeah, we gonna make sure this shit is locked.
Bro, oh my god. I'm sorry that he caught Zaida off guard like that. He really was like, oh, this door's not locked? Cool, I'm gonna just sit my behind.
It was technically your fault talking about so the door was unlocked. It was both.
I was like,
I
why
think he was
is-
gonna check either way.
No, but like, Sidious, as soon as you said that.
I know, but I think he was gonna check anyways. I was trying to tell Zaida to turn around and unlock it, but she was too, and lock it, but she was too scared.
Is the door open? You're opening the door?
No, I'm not opening the door.
No, don't open the window.
I'm not opening.